How to add or remove follow button on your Facebook profile. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So it's very quick and simple. First you open the Facebook app. On the top left you will find three lines. Click on that. Then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to click on search settings on the top, and then you have to type who can follow me and click on search. Once you click on that, you can see an option of who can send you friend request. You have to click on it, and if you want to make sure the follow button goes away from everyone you have to turn it to friends of friends and then click on save. Once you click on save and you make it on friends of friends only, from your profile that follow button will go away and only friends of friends can send you a request. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.